Hi, this is Dr. Sinagra from the Sunrise Wellness Center. Today I want to talk about brain repair. The human brain and brain function in Western medicine is kind of fickle. We don't even talk about brain repair and brain healing. But the latest in scientific research is truly amazing. The brain actually heals. I'm old enough to remember when we thought the brain did not heal. But the latest research is showing that the brain has tremendous ability to heal. But in Western medicine, we treat the effects of the malfunction. I had a dear friend who I lost to ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease. This was about 25 years ago, long before I was doing functional health care. And I went to Columbia Presbyterian in Manhattan with him. I spoke to the head neurologist. And I said, well, doctor, under these medications, is there a chance of improvement next month? And he looked me square in the eyes and goes, there is no month that's going to be better than this month. Every month will be worse than the month before. And that was like a punch in the chest. I'm like, my Lord. And we see that even today with people with Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, MS, myasthenia gravis. All they're trying to do is slow the decline. That's unacceptable to me. The body has the ability to heal itself and to repair itself. And the brain can heal. And it really comes into 5 areas. Number 1, the diet is so important. There's a specific diet that truly aids in brain repair. So we work at changing the patient's diet, and I see people eating the wrong diet, and I'm like, my Lord, they have no idea that they're actually damaging their brain. The second area is inflammation. We call it neurogenic inflammation, but when the brain is inflamed, it affects the brain's ability to communicate and to heal. The third one is cell membranes. The cell membranes are an important part of communication, and they require cholesterol and phospholipids, and we can actually repair these. The third area is stem cell activation. The brain has pockets of stem cells, and they're actually kept in like little nurseries, like a garden nursery, and they're held in check by the neurotransmitter gabatone. And when working properly, they can be released by acetylcholine. But people with neurodegenerative diseases, they don't get released. So there's actually ways to release the stem cells, and stem cells can now become any other cell in the brain and can actually initiate healing. And the last is this whole system is powered by the mitochondria, and we can actually create new mitochondria, mitochondrial biogenesis, and we can also improve the function of the existing mitochondria. The mitochondria produce ATP, the energy of the brain that powers the whole system. So we can repair those cell membranes, we can shut down the inflammation, we can change the diet, we can initiate stem cell activation, and we can repair the mitochondria. You can do more than treat, you can heal. If you have a loved one suffering with these conditions, please consider a proactive approach that works on brain repair and initiating the body's ability for the brain to heal itself. Contact us at sunrisewellnesscenter.com. Dr. Sinagra here. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a great day.